selfie.
Why?
Part of the waiver.
Do you need a picture of me too?
With our masks over.
With our masks on?
Well, that's what I have. Okay. Oh, signature.
Nom 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 nom.
You want the poncho raincoat?
Don't do it, dog. It's just an oar. Just enjoy. What do you think, Ellie?
I can just film, do like a little 5-second burst video.
Oh, there's video setting right now, or you can change it to picture.
You said pick the. Do what?
I think she likes the wake, the canoes, or the kayaks kicking out.
You stay.
What? What? Stay, Ellie. Seems kind of nice and knife right through this grass.
Huh?
Want to loop around by that island? Want to loop over by that island? Doesn't look like there's much of anything super cool over there.
I think I like the width of the last ones as well.
Ellie, you look like a hood ornament.
Like the hound on those really fancy cars.
Yeah, or the bulldog on those big trucks. What's up? We're rolling right into the wind now. Really? Tell me how you really feel, dog. Oh, look at that, it's picking up. That's a lot of water. You okay? That didn't work out. One angry, very wet puppy.
Oh, the girls' cars.
Oh, worth a shot.
Rain. I'll get out of the car.